Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create character talking video, and you can create unlimited videos as much as you want. It's completely free though. So if you are a student and if you want to make like a funny video, or if you have any project, or if you have any commercial video that you need to produce for your product or any service or promotion, so you can generate multiple videos like this.
Your love is truly inspiring. The way you support and cherish each other is beautiful. Wishing you endless joy.
Create whoever you can imagine.
Every moment spent with you feels like a beautiful dream I never want to wake up from. Your smile lights up my darkest days, and
In the earth you quietly grow, a humble spud, hidden below. Golden skin or russet brown.
Every moment we share feels like a beautiful dream, one that I never want to wake up from. Your laughter is the sweetest melody. Watching your love story unfold is truly inspiring. The bond you share is a testament to the beauty of true love and the way you support and cherish each other.
You can use your own image to talking AI videos. Also you can create unlimited images, and that can like character talking AI videos, guys. And it's really easy, so you don't need to high skill to know how to edit something in your CapCut or any kind of software. So, or you don't need to spend any money to hire someone who can edit your video. So no more delay, so let's get started. So if you are new in this channel, so I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I make videos how you can make money online and different kind of AI tools so that it can make your life easier. So today we're going to use the tools. It calls Hedra. So it's a free tools, guys, so you can use. All right, so you will find their introduction character one, and you will generate impressive controllable human character. It's a beta now, so you no problem, you can try. Okay, and those are the upcoming features, and there are multiple features will be added there. Okay, so you can check this out website. So first of all, you have to create a account. So you can create your email address. Also you can use your Gmail account. So I have already created an account with my Gmail. Alright, so this is my profile, guys. So I'm going to get you directly the dashboard. Okay, so let's try with beta. So click on try beta, and it will directly go to the dashboard. And this is the one of the easiest AI dashboard I have ever used, because it's very simple, and this is the community spotlight. That's mean you can remix this video. So if you want to create this kind of videos like this character or animation, so you can just click on remix. Okay, so this is the another part, guys. I will show you on the another video, but today I'm going to show you how we can generate a AI image and then how we can convert it into a video. Really cool, right? Okay, this is the first option where you have to import your audio. So if you have any audio that are downloaded over the internet, or if you have your own audio, so you can import your audio over there. Also you can record your voice. Right now I am recording my voice and screen recording. So this is the way you can record your voice. Okay, also you can write something here and it will automatically convert it into your audio. Okay, so I'm going to write it something here. That's mean I want to produce a video. Okay, so you can write it your own way. Also you can use ChatGPT to write a different kind of poem, quotes, or any funny text that you want to deliver, okay, to your friends, family. So you can. So I'm going to use ChatGPT, and I'm going to write it here. Write a jokes about new couple. Alright, so we have got 10 jokes over there, so you can copy and paste it here. Also you can write again, and I'm going to write a love message for my girlfriend. So click on enter, and I think you can write as much as you want. Okay, so I'm just want to clear you that if you are new here, so you can understand how you can use ChatGPT for your different kind of project or something else. You can type your name over there. So I'm going to copy from here. Okay, copy the text here and go back to Hedra and paste it here. And remember that header right now they are suggested like 300 characters, so we have to remove the rest of the character over there. So our text is generated using ChatGPT, and it's time to select a voiceover. That's mean what kind of voice do you want include in your project. Like you can add a British male, like you can add a British male, also you can American female, Emily, and Ryan American male, also Lily British female. So I'm going to click female, American female. Alright, so if you want to hear the sound or the voice tone, so there is an option like just click on play.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes. Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
Alright, so this is the voice tone or accent. So if you want to change this, no problem. Click on Emily and let's play.
Never mistake motion for action.
I think Emily is good. Okay, so if you don't like, you can change over there. Okay, so our text and voiceover is ready. It's time to create our images. So if you have your own images, so you can select over there, and if you don't, you can write it here. Okay, and you can generate AI images, which is really great. Okay, so create a beautiful Spanish girl with flowers. So I'm just randomly writing it. Okay, so let's click on create. Alright guys, this is the image. I'm really happy. Okay, so it's Spanish girls with flowers. So I think you love it. So if you don't love this, you can change. That's mean you can write it your own text and you can create. So if you want to download this image, just very simple, click on download. So already the image is downloaded. Okay, alright guys, so we are really close to our final step. That's mean our text ready, voiceover is already done, and this is the image. Alright guys, so you can see this is the static image. This is not a video. Okay, so very closely you can see it's a static image, and it's time to generate a video using this image and using my text. Okay, so let's click on generate video. Alright guys, it's time to have a coffee, because maybe it takes few times, like few minutes to 3 minutes. Sometimes it will be very easier if your internet and the queue is really low. And finally, this is the video guys, so let's play the video.
Every moment we share feels like a beautiful dream, one that I never want to wake up from. Your laughter is the sweetest melody, and your smile brightens even my darkest days. Being with you has taught me the true meaning of love and happiness. You are my confidant, my rock, and my inspiration.
Alright guys, so I think you love this video. So if you want to make this kind of videos, so use these tools. It's amazing guys, and you can create multiple videos. Don't worry, no problem. Okay guys, so if you love this content, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, please comment below. So I am really happy to support you guys. And no more today, I will come back with another tutorial. So stay tuned, have a good day, tada, bye bye.